Today we are going to discuss firefighting foam equipment from Vigil. Now, first of all, I will point out, you may be aware, may be obvious when I talk about it, I am not a professional firefighter. These products are for firefighting at a high level. This is not just for your average building, just to let you know. So we're going to start with this one over here. This is a foam inductor. This can convert normal fire hose into foam generating. So this is a length of hose. Very simply, oh, this is a heavy lump. You would put a water source on that end, a water inlet source. So if you imagine inductor to hose into a standpipe, and the other end, hose onto a foam generating nozzle. This sticks in a drum of foam. Now, fortunately, these will operate with fluorine-free with modern foams, which is good news. Quite a simplistic product, but very, very well made. It's made from a mixture of gunmetal and anodized aluminium. They're very solid. We have two versions. So the first one, the more common, operates at 230 litres per minute. Okay for most, and for a more professional high level we have one that operates at 400. They have an adjustment, again, turn this around, if you haven't seen one of these, they're going to adjust to here, which will adjust from 1% to 6%, and that's foam mixture. But once that is in, you are this can be bolted down, by the way. Oh, just hold that up. You've got bolts. It's quite sturdy. It can sit around, it can be transported. But once you're set up, this will generate foam to your heart's content as long as you've got extra foam to put in. Water in, foam out the other end. Now the next version is foam nozzle or branch pipe. This is this is the most popular because this is more simplistic. Again, just bring it round to the other end. We only sell and stock UK standard 2.5 inch 64-65mm instantaneous BS 336, John Morris, whatever you want to call them, coupling models. We do not offer overseas like Storts and so on. So they all have that, so it's going to fit your UK products. Again, stick that in your drum of foam and water inlet, and this will generate, so it aerates the foam, it pulls the foam in through the water. It's very clever, and as you turn it on, this is very satisfying, by the way. You've got to get one of these. This puppy will fire your foam for 40 meters, 40 meters. This is quality. Again, stainless steel, solid construction. I mean, this is for roughy tufty firemen who are stronger than me. You see the Vigil branding on it. This hose is replaceable. It's a simple pop on and you can clean it. But this will expand foam at 5 times. All right, so pretty cool. Then we move on to this one. This is a medium expansion branch pipe, and again, it's very simplistic. I mean, it's stainless steel, very solid, 2.5 inch British instantaneous coupling on the other end, and oh, this one's going to be stiff. Simple on off, on or off. Now this takes foam at 70 to 1, and you see it's got a pressure gauge on there, and this will fire, it's got a handle, this will fire your foam about 12 meters in medium. As you can imagine, this comes out as very thick foamy foam. This comes out more of a jet. I will leave it for you professional firefighters to know what you are doing and what is suitable. But what I can assure you is Vigil products are professional firefighting products. This will give you years of good, solid life and could put out a very substantial fire. For more information, you can call us, you can follow the links, and we will have it all for you.